Good morning. Hotel room about to be packed up because we are heading back out on the road this morning. We're going to be going to Colonial Williamsburg. I'm very excited. Always wanted to do this since I was a little girl. I really don't even know what to expect. We bought admission tickets so we could get the full experience. I just can't wait. So the plan is, of course, I'm going to wear this nice lacy, nicer outfit, but still cool because it's going to be roasting today. Roasting. We're going to have to see how much we can get done in the early part of the day, I guess. So yeah, we're going to pack up, get dressed. We're going to go eat breakfast again downstairs and then hit the road. Sign for the visitor center. We're here. Wow, we're here. We don't really know what we're doing and we don't really have a firm plan, which is very unlike me. So we'll just kind of see.
Caffeine. Chocolate has the cousin of caffeine called theobromine, and that's a stimulant as well. So these are things that wake you up. They're stimulants.
Ooh, ye old apothecary. Let's check it out.
It combines doctoring and pharmacy in one profession. So certainly one possibility that you are here to see the doctor. Now it's not a requirement because you won't need his permission or a prescription to buy medicine. So maybe you're really just buying medicines and that way you can take care of yourself.
So you can buy
Ye old sprinkler. Look at the well. That's cool. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Yeah, we had to buy one of those cookies. That would smell amazing. It's like a ginger cake.
But you're starting flat, you see, and I'm getting closer to finishing shaping this thing, and just hold it at a slight angle and force the metal down.
might see someone wearing one of the gentlemen wearing a gray wig out and about town. Probably going to be one of our local professionals, a doctor, lawyer, apothecary, engineer, architect, someone who has had advanced schooling.
Let's go in the blacksmith. Look at all the coal.
Nails and staples for our carpenters. If you get to the carpenter's home, see some projects they're working on, some tools being made for them. There are guilds. There's a website of blacksmithing in North America that lists guilds in every state.
Alright, I think we're gonna attempt some lunch at Ye Old Tavern. We're doing it upright. Thank you. Going to find ye old restroom. I was kind of worried they'd point me to outdoors. It's up here. Oh, that's not it. That's the gentleman. Wow, it's a bathroom. You look like you're gonna whack yourself in the head.
Oh, good. Tell her I said hi.
Aw, board books. Oh, that might be nice for Rachel. Very nice. You ready for the revolution?
These little ones?
No, I wanted to get her one of the bigger ones, I think.
Oh, okay. The one with the
That would be
pink
her
dress?
main souvenir. Well, either the one in the pink dress or this. This one's more authentic, I
With the
think,
cape?
with the cape on it. Does the cape come off? Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, got to, yeah, put it all the way down. There you go. All right, here. Why are you smiling though?
All rise and be upstanding your head so I can cover it. Oh yea, oh yea, oh yea. Silence is commanded in this court, while His Majesty's justice of the city, upon pain of imprisonment, all manner of persons who have anything to do with this course, draw near and give. They really come forth and prosecute your action against Samuel Plantain, or else you'll be declared non-suit. Samuel Plantain, come forth and say the thy bail to some proof of their recognizance on opposite sides of the bar.
Are you a Quaker by chance, Mr. Plantain? There's nothing for me to complain. I've been busy, but I haven't been too slow either. Being slow is not good for business. If you're from Virginia, you would know that last month it was a damper on me. We had several days of rain, and it is impossible to shave a man when it's raining outside. There's no sunlight. What I'm going to do is send my clients that are talkative to her, because you can't shave a man who's possibly always gabbing at the mouth. It's impossible. By the time she's done, hair will already grow back on the other side of his face.
Wow. What? Don't take a nap in that. Wow. It's a cool bedroom. Dollies. Oh, look. Please do not touch. Oh, neat. And look at this music stand. That's so cool. That is so cool. They actually let you like walk in here. So cool. I love stuff like this.
Do they sell these now, Mom?
As the pie server gets the first piece of product, it may not be the most attractive.
Very nice. Yeah, look behind you.
Maybe we should take a look at it.
It's Cool's cousin.
There's no animal on it though, so.
Nutmeg grater. It's my
Do we really need a nutmeg grater? Oh, that's cool.
Mortar and pestle.
Huh.
I like that.
Oh, great moments in chocolate history. There are Hershey's in there. Oh, thank goodness they have air conditioning in these places. Oh my god, I love the bedrooms. This must have been a woman's bedroom. This is like an opulent house. For... This would be like the living room. It's weird when there's a living room and everything isn't pointed at the TV, isn't it?
Yeah.
Aww. Look, it's kids' room. It's like the master bedroom. This is my kind of room. It's the purple room. This would be my bedroom. That closet is bigger than mine. I want a closet like that. This thing works in Williamsburg too. Free iced water. I don't know why we haven't been doing this forever. What'd you get, sir?
This is my new favorite drink.
What is it?
The King's Arm Ginger Ale.
Yeah, nice. He got it in the tavern too, and we just got a nice cold one. Alright, we're back in the car. That was a really fun day in Williamsburg. There was so much to do. I didn't even know how much there was to do. We're both really tired and things are going to start closing down now. It's about 4:30 and everything. A lot of things close at 5 o'clock. So we got a couple souvenirs for Rachel and Aunt Steffi, which I'll show you in a little bit. But now we're going to just head back to the hotel and play the rest of the night by ear. Probably rest a lot because we're both kind of tired after the last few days. Okay, we're in the hotel now, and I just wanted to show you a couple of things I got in Williamsburg. I didn't get anything for myself. Adam didn't get anything for himself. I mean, I wasn't really sure what I wanted. I kind of wanted a souvenir, and I just didn't see anything I loved. But what I did love was this dolly, which I got for Rachel. Her name is Sarah. She's a rag doll, and this is just what I wanted to get for Rachel. Her cape comes off and everything. She's gonna love it. I personally love rag dolls myself, so I guess you can kind of say this is for both of us. This is her big souvenir, and we also got something for our babysitter, Aunt Steffi, some lemon soap, which I think she'll really, really like. Homemade lemon soap, of course. So I'm going to end the Williamsburg vlog here. If you want to see a little room tour of the new hotel, that's going to be in the next video. I didn't want to make this one any longer. So look for that, and our trip continues very, very soon. Bye, guys.